This thick golden oil might look simple, but once you start using it before bed, your body just might thank you in ways you never expected. We're constantly surrounded by fancy creams, pricey serums, and overnight miracles, but sometimes the real game changer is something old school like castor oil. It doesn't look flashy, it doesn't smell like roses, but it works. And if you've got a bottle hiding in your cabinet, here's exactly why you might want to start using it tonight. Now let's dive in. 1. Thicker hair, brows, and lashes. Want fuller hair or bolder brows without spending a dime on serums? Castor oil might be your secret weapon. Rub a little into your scalp before bed. Dab a bit on your eyebrows and lashes. It's not instant, but keep it up and you'll start noticing the difference. It's the $5 trick that your $50 serum doesn't want you to know about. 2. Your skin gets deeply moisturized overnight. Dry, rough skin? Apply a thin layer of castor oil before bed, and it's like wrapping your skin in a soft blanket overnight, especially on elbows, knees, or heels. It soaks in and smooths everything out while you sleep. 3. Calms down redness, itchiness, and angry skin. Got sensitive skin that always seems to act up? A little castor oil can help tone things down. Whether it's irritation from eczema or just a random flare-up, this stuff is like a gentle reset button for your skin. And if you've got achy joints or arthritis, try this. Soak a cloth in warm castor oil, place it over the joint, and wrap it up. Sleep on it. It's an old remedy, but a lot of people still swear by it. 4. Helps heal wounds and fade scars. Small scars or stretch marks you wish would fade. Castor oil might not make them vanish, but it can soften them and help your skin bounce back over time. Just rub it in at night and let it do its thing. 5. Supports better sleep. Can't relax at night? Massage a little oil into your belly or feet before bed. Some even swipe a tiny bit on their eyelids. It sounds weird, but many people find it helps them wind down and drift off easier. 6. Relieves constipation naturally. Yep, castor oil's also a natural laxative. If you're dealing with constipation, a small dose before bed can help things move by morning. Not into taking it? Just massage some onto your belly. It can still help, no gulping required. It's not magic, but if you make castor oil part of your nightly routine, your skin, hair, sleep, and even digestion might all thank you. It's simple, natural, and kind of amazing what it can do while you're off in dreamland. Have you ever tried castor oil before bed? What did it do for you, if anything? Drop your story in the comments. We'd love to hear how it worked for you.